Dandruff is an annoyance and social embarrassment. It is difficult to treat, but luckily it is not a contagious condition. It also doesn't cause any serious health complications. Essential oils can come in handy to reduce the itch and overall treatment of dandruff. Some of them are backed up by scientific research also. In this video we will look into 3 best essential oils for dandruff treatment. At the end we will focus on the best ways to use them. So stay tuned to the end. Dandruff makes your scalp itchy and flakes of dead skin fall on your hair and shoulders. It is caused by Malassezia fungus. Following essential oils will help you get relief from dandruff. 1. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is a versatile oil that can give you relief from dandruff and treat it too. A 2009 review of various studies published in the Asian Journal of Pharmaceutical and Clinical Research found that peppermint oil can help remove dandruff and head lice. Menthol in peppermint oil has antibacterial and fungistatic properties that treat dandruff. It also cools your head. 2. Lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass oil is another good essential oil for dandruff treatment. It possesses very good antifungal and antibacterial capabilities. A 2015 study published in Forsch Complement found a hair tonic formulation with 10% of lemongrass oil was most effective to treat dandruff. 3. Other essential oils. There are many other essential oils that are found to be effective on dandruff. An interesting 2016 review published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found these essential oils widely used by the cosmetic industry for anti-dandruff products. We couldn't find any published scientific research individually on these oils for their dandruff treating capabilities. But use of these essential oils by the cosmetic industry for dandruff treatment is good enough evidence of their usefulness. They are thyme, garlic, bergamot and tea tree oils. Remember, essential oils are very concentrated plant extracts. They can burn the skin, so use them with a carrier oil. To make an essential oil dandruff recipe with these oils, add 10 drops of any of these oils or mix some of them in a teaspoon of a carrier oil such as coconut oil. Apply it on your scalp twice daily. Bottom line is, essential oils are good for dandruff. If your dandruff doesn't go away with these oils or other home remedies, then consult a dermatologist. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.